What comes standard in a Sewerin AquaTest T10 SDR Pro Kit? Hi, I'm Sunny with Indepth Utility Solutions, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the AquaTest T10 SDR Pro Kit. Here we have the AquaTest T10 SDR Pro Kit. In this kit you'll receive the padded carry bag, the AquaTest T10 receiver, the 600mm extension rod, the 300mm extension rod, the 350mm probe tip, the M10 tripod base for soft soil conditions, the wind protection, the F8 wireless headphones. You'll receive two M4 AC/DC wall chargers for the receiver and for the headphones, the DC car adapter charger for the headphones and for the receiver, and instruction manuals. This is what you get in the AquaTest T10 SDR Pro Kit.